application life cycle management. List of topics, working with a release, working with a requirements and analyzation risk, test planning, test execution, HP Sprinter, lab management, detect tracking, version control, library management, asset sharing, exploring Excel tool, AML, project planning and tracking PPT, reporting and analysis, cross-project reporting. What is working with a release? The release process encompasses planning, design build, configuration, and testing of hardware and software release to create a comprehensive release strategy. Release management and administrators can view release. Working with requirements and analyzing risk. Risk can be hard to spot, however, let alone to prepare for and manage, and if you're hit by a crisis that you can help plan for cost, time, and reputation could be online. Similarly, overresting or overreacting to risk can create panic to more harm than good. Test planning. A test planning refers to a detailed document that catalogs the test strategy objects, schedule, estimation deadlines, and the resources required for completing that particular project. Think of it's a blueprint for running the test needed to ensure to the software is working properly, controlled by test managers. HP Sprinter. Make manual testing fun with the HP Sprinter, part of robust quality center application testing. Regimented sprinting simplify traceability and communication. Test execution. The test execution is the process of executing the code and comparing the expected and actual result. Following factors are to be considered for the test execution process. Based on risk, select a subset of a suite to be executed for this cycle. Assign the test cases in each test suite to tester for execution. Laboratory management. The goal of laboratory management is to guide lab personnel to deliver the assigned duties within limited time and resources. This includes acquiring grants, personal equipment, or the necessary tools, as well as designing the workflow, overseeing the daily operation of the lab, and training new lab personnel. Detect tracking. Tracking by a detection is a common approach to multi-object tracking. With ever increasing performance of object detectors, the basis of a tracking becomes much more reliable. In combination with commonly higher frame rates, this poses a shift in a challenge for a successful tracking. Version control. Version control, also known as source control, is the practice of tracking and managing changes to the software code. Version control system are software tools that help software teams manage changes to a source code over time. Library management is a sub-discipline of institutional management that focus on specific issues faced by lib- libraries and libraries management professionals. Libraries management encompasses normal man- managerial tasks as well as intellectual freedom and fundraising responsibilities. Asset sharing, creating more value using existing resource, but as an increasingly important element of new business models, asset sharing connects sparse capacity and demands, allowing customers asset rather than forcing ownership of a product or asset. Exploring Excel to ALM enable you to export your plans, test plans, requirements, or defect in a Microsoft Excel directly to AML. You can view the exporting test plan in a plan tree, to exported requirements in a requirements tree, and the exported defects in a defects grid. Project plan Project planning and tracking. Project tracking is a project management method used to track the progress of tasks in a project. By track your project, you can compare actual to planned progress and identify issues that may prevent the project from staying on schedule and within budget. Reporting and analysis. Reporting, the process of organizing data into information summaries in order to monitor how different areas of a business are performing. An analysis, the process of exploring data and reports in order to extract meaningful insight which can be used to better understanding and improve business performance. Cross-project reporting. Cross-project learning is a process or practice of capturing the learning from projects so that it is available for use by other projects. Newell, 2004 PT1. It is an institute of learning and harvesting knowledge from one for application in another project. That's all. Thank you.